Hey friends, so today I purchased the Micromax Smart TV from Flipkart on the Big Billion days, and the main reason why I chose Micromax was that it supports native Android OS and not the normal conventional Android TV. What actually does that we can install any app. So let's start with its boot test. Let's try with this. Stopwatch, TV power on. So as you can see, it has booted. It took almost 28 seconds to boot. Nonetheless, it's not bad. At this price range, it's definitely a good purchase. Now let's see how can we run TV on this without using any cable or set-top box. Most of those Android TVs that does not support a conventional Play Store, as I told you earlier. So in this TV, neither we can use remote. This is the biggest drawback. So we have been told to use a Smart Share app. So let's configure it. Make sure that the TV and the phone are connected to the same network. I have to use a remote to go to eShare app. It says welcome LG and it's connected. Now when I am clicking on remote, mouse, this is the mouse. As you can see, as I am moving my phone, mouse is working. It's wireless mouse. It even has support for air mouse. Once I click, it's pretty damn smooth. You can see air mouse. The main thing of this feature is, now I'm not gonna show you the remote control anymore because I hope it's the same as other remotes. How to run TV without set-top box. So first we will go to Play Store, applications, then head on to Play Store. The best part is, as you can see friends, it's just like a normal Android phone or the Android tablet which we are using, and the main thing is we can download any apps on this. Any means literally any apps. Though it does not have sensors to play some high graphics game, but still it can be useful for streaming some apps. Like suppose I am searching for JIO TV from my phone. Here is the keyboard which I am using, JIO TV, and it's there on screen. Taking it, clicking. Actually I have pre-installed this, but even if I uninstall and reinstall, I will show you guys how can you do that. I will keep my focus fixed to the TV right now, and here it goes. Install. Normal process of installing. I have a stable connection of about 20 Mbps, so it's downloaded under 10 seconds. Now the main thing is it's Android 4.4.4 KitKat, so installing is damn slow. It does not support ART architecture, it has only Dalvik, so installation takes time. We have installed JIO TV and let's start. First start takes quite a lot of time. Now let's enter your JIO credentials, and here we go. Fine. And boom, here is your JIO TV running on Micromax Smart TV. Let's try with DD Sports. Let's go. Here you go. It's buffering right now. And now let's see the sound. This is the sound meter app which I just now downloaded. It's 71. Once I increase with this, it's not that bad. You can hear it properly. I don't know how to explain you, but it's not bad. That's what I can say. And by the way, you can't use wireless mouse in this because the thing is, the TV has a very poor network reception. The Wi-Fi has not got that much strength to distinguish between the frequency emitted from the wireless remote and the Wi-Fi. So whenever I'm trying to use wireless remote, it is actually happening so that I can't use my Wi-Fi network. I don't know what is the problem, maybe a software issue, maybe a hardware issue, but forget any updates from this Micromax TV because Micromax is known for not providing any updates. Forget about this TV. So let's go through the settings, and here I go. There is an option for an update to the firmware, but I don't think it is possible because you all know Micromax is famous for providing updates to its smartphone. How it's possible to provide an update for a TV? So there is an option just to say that. And let's go back. Let's go to connectivity, and there are two types of network. It's wired and connection wireless. Suppose I can go to wireless. As you can see, the main thing is the eShade is a great option, but you know, once I stop Wi-Fi, I have to use my remote. For this I have to use the remote. Suppose I can go from here, I can exit it, or I can go to home, but I can't navigate through any of the apps. For instance, I am choosing JIO TV. See, this TV is open right now, connection unavailable, but I can't go back, I can't do anything. I can just go home. I can just go home, I can't do anything until unless it's supported by this TV. So this remote is useless. You gotta do a new phone, and you need to have Wi-Fi. And this is the UI of the TV remote. You gotta download this app, and it's fairly simple and easy to use. But only thing is I can't use my remote. For instance, I have net connection, I don't have my phone, so it's damn unused. It's damn boring. You can't use a TV with a remote. Neither you can use wireless mouse. So let's go back to the connection settings from this mouse. From this remote, and settings, general, about, network, Wi-Fi, and let's go to wireless. Now it is disconnected, and once you see, I am going back. It says eShare. Now I will press on connected. It is showing connecting, eShare connected. Going to remote control. This is a normal remote control. You can see LG 100, and this one goes in back. It goes back, and this is a normal one. Now suppose I can use anything from this remote, not like a normal remote. But again, this layout of remote can't be used for apps like JIO TV and all, and I need to use either touch mouse or as air mouse. Air mouse is a good addition into anything. So in all, it is a great. One more thing I wanted to show you is that still nothing is great much about this TV, but still about 17K you can watch TV without cable. What's more you can ask? There is a inbuilt browser which is damn slow. It's 1.2 GHz dual core processor with 1 GB RAM. I don't know how much I can expect in this price, but still it's fairly decent, not the best. Let's try to search something. I will go with, and friends, you can't use the on-screen keyboard, damn slow. I have ended up hanging my TV many times. This is the Google. You can see how much time it's taking to load a simple basic web page. This can't be do with this price, but still it's worthy. You can do everything. You can even play quiet games. But the biggest con which is right now is you cannot go back. You cannot remove it from the memory. What you have to do? Go to home, open a pre-installed app, go to applications, open TV clean. See, one more, again it hanged. Yeah, TV clean, clean all app data, clean all, start cleaning. That's it. You can't remove it. It's the biggest thing. I don't understand why they have made a TV in which we can't remove the apps from the memory. But still, if you are a normal user and you want to just watch TV, go for this. Thank you.